Hi guys, it's me, Alex. What if I told you that you can make an epic fireball sound using only orange skin and a candle, just like that? Yeah. This is the basic of the sound of the fireball. The crackling and tearing give us that organic, fire-like texture. Recorded few times and we are good to go. First I dropped the original recording into a faceplant as a sampler. Then I cranked it up with the effects, transient shaper, disperser and Faturator. I also added an additional layer of some white noise. This added some extra energy and I added sine wave punch. I like how Faturator adds grit and warmth here. Then I used resampling, stretching and reverb. So yeah, thanks for watching and let me know what weird objects you'd use for sound effects.